Good afternoon and welcome back to another Tech for Senior tip. If you have a Microsoft 365 account, did you know that it offers a free VPN? All you have to do is turn it on. Let me show you how that's done. Start by opening up Microsoft Defender. And the fastest way to do that, if it's not accessible from your taskbar, is simply to click on your Start menu and up in the search bar, type Defender. You usually only have to start typing the first couple of letters and you'll see there's Microsoft Defender. Once you see it there, select it. Once it opens up, under privacy protection, this needs to be turned on. Not to worry, it won't interfere with your antivirus program if you're using a third-party antivirus. So turn this on and then use that arrow key to go to the privacy protection. And once you get here, the VPN is off by default. And if you have that Microsoft 365, you can turn it on. There are some restrictions. You only get to use it for 50 gigabytes of internet access per day. It resets each day and allows you to access 50 gigabytes with VPN protection. That is quite a bit, and for most folks, it will never come up and tell you that you've reached your maximum. Once that's done, you're now protected with a VPN, compliments of Microsoft, and the fact that you're a 365 subscriber. It's that simple. Remember, some sites don't like a VPN on. They won't work. Usually your bank, your credit card, and some of the other places that want to make sure that you're actually located where you should be, not someplace else. And one of the primary functions of your VPN is to hide your location. So if you have a problem reaching your bank or your credit card, make sure you come back here and you turn this off and then do it again. And that will take care of that problem. Stay safe, stay secure. I hope that helps. Bye-bye, and thanks for watching and listening.